Hey friends, in the last video we discussed about some great add-on features for WordPress website, especially for WooCommerce website. So this is a demo website coming from LC WordPress theme and it has a amazing feature and it is showing sales notifications. So you might have seen this notification feature on multiple websites when you are surfing on the web. So this is what we are targeting in this video. So what we are going to do in this video, how we can add sales notification on WooCommerce store website. Sales notification can be said as live feed sales, recent sales, pop-up and like similar terms. But we are mainly focusing on adding sales notification, recent sales notification like this one is amazing. So it is pulling the attraction of new visitors, it is also boosting sales, and it is also telling visitors which items are being sold most frequently. So this is a very amazing feature that you can add at your WooCommerce website by simply adding a easy to use plugin that we are going to explore in this video. So let us begin with this demo website. This is using Metro WordPress theme. This is a minimal and very prominently being used WordPress theme. So I'm taking this demo example and here we are going to add sales notification feature that will come anywhere. So as we said, and the plugin that we are going to use. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, so I'm going to show you the plugin that I'm using. So it is already implemented. You can see now the notification is coming on this website. Yes. So where it is? Let me record the notification. The frequency may be less, but yes. Okay, let me refresh this page just to show you. Yes, it is here. So it is implemented by just installing the plugin. However, we can customize our notifications. So it is really very effective tactics to boost the sales on the WooCommerce website. Which plugin I am using? Yes, this may be a very good question. So this is WooCommerce notification, boost your sales, live feed sales, recent sales, pop-up, upsells. So this is for upselling, of course. So this is a very prominently being used plugin and it has already received very good reviews from its existing users and good number of sales as well. This plugin can be availed just for $30. So don't worry about the $30. It is definitely going to enhance your WooCommerce store sales that this will be covered in just 2 or 3 sales as I can calculate within a week or so. So you are going to get all the advantage of this notification system on your WooCommerce website. The plugin has been developed by Villa Themes. They are Power Elite author at codecanyon.net and I must tell you, this is not a promotional video. I am just letting you know the best option that you can use on your WordPress website. You have multiple options. You can explore other plugins, themes and everything that you can watch on this channel itself. There are 1,000+ videos to explore WordPress resources. Don't miss to watch other videos. Yes, but yes, this specifically, the sales notification plugin works very good. We are already using on our projects and we recommend to use this one. You can buy the plugin at codecanyon.net. I'm going to add the link in the video description. I was talking about the Villa theme. They are really Power Elite author and they actually create wonderful WordPress features and plugins and all such things that you can use at your WordPress website. So WooCommerce notification displays recent orders as pop-up notification on your WordPress store. It is the online equivalent of a Visio store and shows prospective customers that other people are buying your products. So it increases the conversion rate by highlighting other customers that have bought products. Display orders in real time for buyer validation and social proof as well. Create a sense of urgency for visitors and expose new products. So how this plugin actually works. So if a visitor clicks on these notifications, the navigation tag can take them directly to the product and it can be added to cart. So it is seriously going to enhance the sales and the click activities, call to action activities. Now, coming back to the backend of this installation and the plugin that we are using. So there are many here, and basically we are focusing the upselling on the WooCommerce store. So I have already recorded on another video how we can upsell um, the WooCommerce store, I mean products at WooCommerce store, by using a very useful plugin called Upsell WP Pro. So you can watch this specific video. This is also a very, very amazing plugin. So this is basically for upselling and cross-selling and even for order bumps. So you can watch this specific video as available on this channel. I'll add the link of that particular video as well. But yes, in this video, we are focusing on the notification system of to make as upselling tool at our WooCommerce website. So where it is? So I'm using this WooCommerce notification premium, and you can also avail the same. As I said, it cost $30 and it is worth taking this plugin definitely. And this is installed, and I'm taking you to the settings directly. Okay, so on the settings screen, we have very simple things to do, and we can simply enable all this great feature. Like on the general setting, we can enable on the desktop or the big devices or mobile. So we have toggle option where we want to enable this notification system. Further, uh, we have the design options that we can directly use. Like we have templates that we can directly use. Like if you are not using any template, the default template will be implemented. However, there are many templates, like you can use pink, yellow, violet, or these pre-made templates that is more attracting. Like if I'm selecting this orange one, this will show like this, and this is the uh, preview that how it will look like. Further, we have position and effect option that we want to use for showing the notification. This is really very important uh, setting for this feature. Like we are showing the mm, notification on the bottom left, and the manner that can be bounce in down or the bounce in formats, bounce left, or so there are multiple options that you can use. So this is really very good and attractive. Of course, similarly, we have bounce out options and down options are available. Preview visit, product rating, where you want to show the preview widget like product rating, add to cart button. So this feature enables you to preview the display section using the shortcodes to show the add-on cart button and product rating within the message. So this is really very good. Further, you can use the styling options, the image options, image left, where you want to put the image, like image on right and image on left. So this is really working very good. And so close icons, so just in case if you want to show the close icon, and even you can disable the close icon. And further, you can set the classic, the icon color, the custom CSS, and all these things can be simply chosen as you want to show on your website. In the next setting, we have messages that we want to display. So like message, purchased message can be someone in the city name. This is string basically. This is pulling and the information from the recent sales. And purchase the product. This is again an string that will pull the information from the WooCommerce store and the time ago. The similarly, you can use these uh, combinations of message for further. We have multiple options like the shortcodes that you can use directly for showing up the message on the notification bar. So it is totally up to you how and what you want to show. So you can definitely customize. So like custom number people seeing on this product right now. This is very commonly used pop-up that we have seen on the big e-commerce store. So like how many people are watching this product right now. So it can be really good. And this custom shortcode contained the minimum number you can show here, the maximum number. So this is also like and just alluring for next sales, and the flexible numbers you can use. So this is simply enabled, and you can uh, say this option. So it is really very, very amazing tool that you can use, like 199 people seeing just to be saw. So this is going to work in every manner that you wish to have. And we have like select options on this click to action bar itself. So it is definitely going to show multiple information, like how many people are seeing as we are implementing, as we are willing to implement. So this is the message that you can completely customize. On next screen we have uh, uh, products option. So which product we want to show in the notification bar. So it is again very important. You can have the filtration of products that you want to show, like latest product, the selected products, or the gift get from billing, or where you want to pull the data from where. And product image side you can define here the show products, shop and search results, shop only, the search only. Search is totally up to you how you want to show, and even you can keep it hidden. Current category, the out of stock, and the external links can be used. The product limits you can decide here. The virtual time, this is really very good. So you can set the virtual time, how like virtual time will be randomly get uh, in this threshold, enable to change virtual time made to your site's time zone. And the virtual first name is here, like you can generate virtual notifications as well, like you can write multiple names here, and that can show the virtual names that is attracting, but it is not real in fact. Okay, so but you can use the virtual address as well, that will pull the information from the from your sales database only. So don't worry, you can even type the virtual cities, and you can also detect address to make virtual address to customers. So it is like virtual address or auto detect or WooCommerce geolocation. So these are the information that you can select to show the data on the notification bar in real time. Okay, so in real time, it may not be real. So it is totally up to your settings how you want to show, like virtual country and non-Ajax. Again, this is very, very amazing feature. Product detail, run single program. Enable the notification will only display the currently viewed products or products in the same category. So it is totally your choice and notification. So in this product single page, the notification can only display current products. Okay. That's it. Similarly, we have time to set, display time 5 seconds, and the initial delay. So this is again very important setting, how frequently you want to show the notification. By default, it is set for 5 seconds. Initial time random, and the loop, the next time display after 30 seconds, or a notification per page, loop by session. These are the very important setting. The sound. Yes, sound can be enabled, like you can show the sound icon. You can enable the sound so that the notification will come with a sound to attract again. A sound homepage, where you want to show, like on homepage, the checkout page, the cart page, or the conditional tags. So it is totally your report. So you can save the logs just in case if you are willing to save the log. AI engine is also here, like Gemini API key you can use, and you can update the installation as it comes in the next one. So this is a full feature notification system that you can implement on your WordPress website, and as I shown you, it works well. In just few and simple clicks, you can implement this feature on your WooCommerce website. That is definitely going to enhance the sales on your WooCommerce store, and you are going to grab the attention of your visitors. It is going to be visitor friendly. It is not going to put additional load on your database. It works well. So there is no reason not to select this feature for your WooCommerce website. But as I said, this is not a promotion system. I mean, this is not a promotional video. You have all the options, and you can even discuss with us, discuss with a mentor to uh, answer your queries. Why mentor is open, I don't know. Right? Generally, all the mentors remains most of the mentors for WordPress website remains. So you can ask any question here. You are welcome to ask questions here. how we can add certain feature on your WordPress website, how we can implement certain good things, how we can create wonderful websites using WordPress, and all such questions can be answered here. So it is totally for you. You can join the program, and in the next video, I'm coming with more features for your WordPress website. Don't miss the video. Don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell button. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.